In this video, I will show you how to change age in Epic Games account. This should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. To get started, what you're going to want to do is open up a new internet browser and come across to store.epicgames.com, which is the official website for Epic Games. From here, come up to the top right hand corner, and if you haven't done so already, you're going to see a sign in button. So click that and sign into your Epic Games account. And once you're signed in, you'll be redirected here. As you can see, I'm currently signed in. Now, what you want to do next is come up to the top left-hand corner, click onto support. And once you've done that, you'll be taken to a screen similar to this. Now, from here, you want to come up to the top left-hand corner, hover over the Explore Topics option, and then on this menu that comes up, come and click onto Account. Then what you can do from here is scroll down to the bottom, and you should see a blue Contact Us button. Give that a click, and what that's going to do is load up a small chat window in the bottom right hand corner. Now in here you want to type the following, which is something similar to this. So I've just put I've accidentally set the wrong age for my account. Send that through to the Epic support assistant. Just give it a minute to respond. As you can see, we're going to get a response back. It says if you need to change the date of birth on your own Epic Games account, you should submit a ticket through the support page. So what you need to do is click the link here for the support page. Or what you can also do is scroll down on this chat, and there should be an option saying, would you like to speak with a member of our support team? It's going to say yes or no. Just go ahead and click yes. And then it's going to ask you to submit an email ticket or continue in the chat. I generally find this easier and quicker to submit an email ticket, as I don't find a lot of people to be on the chat a lot of the time. So what you can do is click the button here to submit an email ticket. And what's going to happen is you're going to get a response like this saying your ticket was submitted. Of course, because you've already submitted your problem about wanting to change your date of birth, that's all going to be included as part of the email ticket. So at this point, as you can see, you can view the ticket by clicking the link here. And that's going to take you to the request. So it's already automatically being created for you, and you just need to wait around 1 to 3 business days for them to respond. Now, generally, they're going to ask for some proof of ID to prove your date of birth. So make sure you have got a driver's license or passport, which of course you can upload a screenshot or a photo of when they respond to you. And if everything is correct, then they should be able to go ahead and change your account age. So that is how to change age in Epic Games account. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute. Thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.